Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang.
Advocate Masilela Teffo has come clean on his withdrawal from the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial, claiming it was a strategy he used to confuse the enemy. Advocate Teffo represented 4 of the accused in the Meyiwa trial. He said he was withdrawing as a counsel from the case as he was tired of the harassment he had suffered. Teffo then made a U-turn last week, announcing he would be returning with a list of demands, including calling a police minister Pekicele to be dismissed and be investigated for abuse for his position. Speaking on SABC News, It's Topical recently, he said, "It is a strategy. You know, sometimes you have to confuse your enemy and give them a short-lived glory. So this is a strategy among us." As I said, that it's not a surprise, and according to Teffo, Senzo's brother Sifiso knew about the strategy, and that's why he said he wasn't worried about Teffo's decision to quit the case mid-trial. People have reacted on the social media about the interview that Teffo had on the SABC News. Others believe that the advocate is a clown, and others are just angry with his game. One tweet said, "What Advocate Teffo is doing to the Meyiwa family is absolutely tragic. Even if they don't see how these games he plays harms them, he ensures justice is delayed and therefore denied." #Senzo Meyiwa trial. Another one said, "This guy is such a comedian. He calls his directionless approach a strategy." Well, I think Advocate Teffo has a point though when he says he wants Pekicele gone. That man is useless. And that judge on Senzo Meyiwa's case, there's something off about him. He doesn't like Teffo. He loves that advocate Mshololo. Do you think Advocate Teffo is a cloud chaser or he's on the right direction? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.